Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm coming to you guys with a video on this tutorial using the Urban Decay Vice LTD Reloaded palette. It's actually my niece's palette and I am at her house filming this video. And first here what you see me doing is applying a eyeshadow base, which is a NYX in the white color. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. You can see some of that base there. So you just missed there was the color Midnight Cowboy. It's like a light shimmery color, and I'm going to be using that on the right underneath my brow, and I'm going to do that to both sides. And this is the first time I do a voiceover, so let me know what you guys think. And I did a voiceover because there was a lot of noise at my sister's house, so I figured I'd just film and then attempt doing the voiceover. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. You can't really see it that much, the color, because of the white base, but here I'm going to go in with the light pink color, which is called Hot Pants. Funny name, but so it's just like a very soft pink, and it's also in the shimmery tones. So I'm going to take the same flat rounded brush and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye, about a third of the way on both sides. And then we're going to do that on the other side. And if you hear some background noise, it's my daughter. She's jumping over there. Okay, so doing the same thing again on this side. And right now you can't really see the color, but once I go in with a purple and the darker one, it'll really bring out that pink. So adding some more of that there. Awkward silence. Okay, so I think that's all I did. And then that color that you don't see there is the it's called Asphyxia. It's like a medium purple, and I'm gonna go in with that a little slightly over the pink to kind of blend it in. And I'm gonna bring that about a little past halfway on my lid. The same thing on the other side. And I normally always do like pink with purple when I use pink, but you'll see today I chose to do the pink, the purple, and the blue, which was my sister's idea, because I was like, what do you guys think? What color should I combine with this pink? And we tried the blue one and it turned out pretty good. So see, that's the blue that I'm talking about, and it's called UVB. And I'm going to go in with a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that right next to that purple that we applied. And blend it into the crease a little bit. And it's the first time I use Urban Decay shadows, because I personally don't own any. Like I said, these are my niece's, but I mean, it's pretty good, the quality and the colors, and pretty easy to blend as well. So, and I think this palette it's not very recent, I'm not sure, but it has a very nice color options, I guess. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side using that dark blue. And as you can see, you can kind of see that pink starting to pop a little more because of the blue. It's kind of helping it stand out. Add some more and try to blend it into the purple. And like I said, this color was a UVB. And here I'm going back in with that purple to kind of help blend into the blue, so that I don't lose the purple. You know, sometimes you add a darker color and you lose a lighter one, so I have to go in again with that purple. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm just adding, I think, a little more blue and helping it blend. So. Okay, and I think here I'm deciding what other color to add to it. And I think we're gonna go in with the, okay, that's like a tan, and this is a matte color. It's called Laced. And sometimes I'm out of the frame because I'm used to filming in front of a mirror. But anyway, so this is the same fluffy brush, and I'm taking some of um, that matte color that you just saw, and to help kind of blend that blue out a little bit, so you don't have that harsh line. Okay, now we're gonna go in with that dark color, and that one is called 501. It's like a dark blue with a little bit of glitter, and I'm gonna put that right into the crease over that blue, just to get a little smoky effect going there. And we're going to do the same thing to both sides. Okay, now on the other eye. And we're using the same brush that we put that blue color with. And blend it upwards. See, and I'm going back in with a purple again. So it's pink, purple, blue, and then the dark blue. Okay, what am I going to do next? I think I'm talking to my sister there about something, or listening to something she's saying. Okay, now with a fluffy brush, this one I didn't put any product on it. I'm just using it to blend out the color. And here I just take a baby wipe. You could use a makeup remover wipe, but I use a baby wipe. And just kind of clean out the edges. Make sure you really stretch your skin. Anyways, yeah, it looks kind of messed up, but that's what I do. Okay, now I'm going to use this very small brush, and I'm going to go in with that 501 color, I believe is the one that I'm going to use next. Yep, 501. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line, the outer corner right there. And we're going to do that to both sides. Excuse me. Okay, add some more. And then I am going to use that purple color, which is called Freak Show. And I'm going to put it right next to that dark blue. And I'm going to take that all the way almost to the inner corner of my eye. And then here I went in with that soft pink, I believe. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use this eyeliner, which is the Wet n Wild waterproof liner, which is what I always use. But I'm going to look into getting some colored liners to add, different color to my looks. But normally this always works for me. So black liner, you can't go wrong. And we're going to make the wing here. Okay. Go over that again. And my eyeliner never comes out perfect, but it works for me. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. And this eyeliner, I mean, it works very well. It really is waterproof. Like if you buy the Wet n Wild, the regular one that's not waterproof, with any little thing, if your eyes get watery, that thing's gonna smear like crazy. So that's why I use the waterproof. And there I'm cleaning it up again with a wipe because I think I didn't like the way I did it the first time. So I went back in and then just going with the eyeliner again. There you go. And then lastly, we're gonna add the mascara. And also I would have lined my waterline with eyeliner, but like I said, I didn't have my makeup, so I didn't have my eyeliners with me, but we just leave it like that for now. You could also use maybe a white liner. I think a white eyeliner would have looked very nice as well. But I'm just adding mascara here. And this is the last step. So we have a couple more seconds here in the video, maybe like a minute left. But don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and hit the little bell if you want to see more of my videos. And I thank you in advance for watching. I hope you guys liked this and found it helpful. And leave your comments, questions in the section below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye. And there's just a last glimpse of it. Thanks, guys. Bye.